how to turn off or on vibrate notifications on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on vibrate on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click on notifications. Now you have the third option, which is vibrate. You can turn it off or on and you choose whatever you want. I choose to turn it off, and now this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.